Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to make your shopping experience easier. Today, we're looking at the FANHAO Garden Hose Nozzle, the best rust-resistant outdoor hose nozzle solution. If you're tired of flimsy plastic nozzles that rust or wear out, then this heavy-duty metal nozzle might be exactly what you need. Let's dive right into the features that make this nozzle a must-have for any garden, car washing, or pet showering enthusiast. First off, the FANHAO nozzle is made with 100% metal construction. The body is built with a zinc alloy inner core and features an anodized finish that ensures it resists rust and corrosion, even with frequent exposure to the elements. If you're like most gardeners or homeowners, you know how frustrating it is to have a nozzle that doesn't hold up over time, but with this model, you're investing in durability and strength. What makes it stand out is the thumb control feature, which is perfect for anyone looking for ease of use. No more sore fingers from squeezing a trigger all the time. The thumb-controlled switch lets you turn the nozzle on and off, adjusting the water flow without strain. It's especially helpful if you suffer from arthritis or simply want a more comfortable watering experience. With this nozzle, you're in full control of the water pressure, which is ideal when you're dealing with delicate plants or need a stronger jet for cleaning hard surfaces. The FANHAO nozzle also offers 8 adjustable spray patterns. Whether you're watering your flowers with a gentle mist, washing your car with a high-pressure jet, or showering your dog with a soft stream, this nozzle covers all your needs. Simply rotate the dial to change the spray pattern. The versatility makes it perfect for different tasks, saving you the hassle of having to switch nozzles every time you need a different spray pattern. Another great feature is its ergonomic design. The rubberized non-slip grip makes it easy to hold, even when wet. This makes handling the nozzle comfortable and reduces fatigue, especially during long watering sessions or when you're working on those bigger outdoor projects. Now, let's talk about compatibility. The FANHAO nozzle fits all standard 3/4 garden hoses, which means no additional adapters are required. It's designed to fit most hoses in the US, making it a convenient option for almost every household. Plus, if you're not satisfied with your purchase, FANHAO offers a 90-day return policy, giving you peace of mind with your investment. In conclusion, the FANHAO Garden Hose Nozzle is a perfect choice if you're looking for a high-quality, rust-resistant nozzle that combines durability, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're watering your garden, cleaning your driveway, or showering your pets, this nozzle offers everything you need and more. Be sure to check out this product, and stay tuned for more reviews here on Product Critique.